Hello, welcome back to the channel. I am Teacher Neo. In today's video, we will learn 25 daily action verbs by following my morning routine. This lesson is specifically designed for beginners, A1, to help you speak English naturally and confidently. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen and repeat after me. So let's improve your English vocabulary together. I wake up early. I wake up early. I uncover myself. I uncover myself. I get up out of bed. I get up out of bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I stand up. I stand up. I wash my face. I wash my face. I dry my face. I dry my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. I spit the water out. I spit the water out. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I put on deodorant. I put on deodorant. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I put on my socks. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I apply some castor oil on my face. I apply some castor oil on my face. I drink some water. I drink some water. I check my phone. I check my phone. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I zip up my bag. I zip up my bag. I wear my hat. I wear my hat. I look for my keys. I look for my keys. What do you do for your morning routine? Let me know in the comments, and also let me know where you are watching from. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye!